you come to Jamaica and you come to St. Elizabeth, this is where you want to visit. Treasure Beach. Alright guys, so right now we reach at Frenchman in Treasure Beach. Nice here, and the view really nice, right next to the ocean. Oh yeah, look at this guys, and right here so you can see the sunset too. It's a beautiful scenery. And then out here where you can see all the fishing boat. Yeah man. Guys, you can just have the food and just watch the sunset. Guys, look at the ocean, look at the water. See, as you can see, sunset. As you can see here, the fishing boat. Yeah man. So all of these right here, and you know you have your little shop. Oh yeah. On the crab then. Look at this. See that? Yeah. So all of these boats you see here is all the fishing boat. Yeah, and we're on Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. Nice. Look at that guys. You can see the rope what they use to tie to hold the boat. See it? Yes, sir. Yeah, man. They say I got a load of fishing boat, you know. Eh? Oh, you run tour?
Ah, no. Bar and back of a football.
Okay, okay. So most of them boats here are like what? Fishing boat?
Yeah?
The most of these boats are like what? Fishing boat?
Well, they want to down on the bottom side here, so a fishing boat. You know?
Fishing boat.
Yeah, but you have boat up here, so I like them go like at the near sea or something.
Yeah.
And you have like mostly tour boat here, so you know.
Oh, okay.
But the Pedro Key and them boat are the ones there.
These ones over here, so?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then boys down on the bottom side, so, you know.
Okay, okay.
You go up on the paint too, man, you get one quickly of you, you know.
Yeah.
Right up on the paint.
Yeah.
And that's really a foundation for you, you know.
Yeah?
Like the buttonwood tree.
The buttonwood tree.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. Right at the point.
You get some nice view, you know.
Yeah, man. So you say you do touring like you have your own boat or what?
Yes, man. See, yes.
Which one? The one right there, so?
Yeah, man. The yellow and one right there, so.
Okay, so you like it, get a whole heap of people all the time, like
Well, you don't really that busy at the moment, you know.
yeah.
Yeah, man. But at times you have people come in where you get like a business.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
So like what your name, if anybody want to come down here, if they see this video and they want to know so they come at Treasure Beach at where I said this location?
Yeah, man, yes, a Frenchman.
Frenchman.
Yeah, man. Well, you know, my name is Richie.
Richie.
Captain Richie, you know.
Captain Richie.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Yes,
alright.
man.
So then can just ask you and you just
Yeah,
give them a
man.
full tour.
Yeah, man. You can just come right at Eggy's just or anywhere here, so. As we base here, so every day, you know.
Every day.
Yes, man.
Alright, nice, nice. So like for you to go to Pelican, what the price are? It just the base depends on where. Depends.
Yeah,
Oh,
based
okay.
on the amount of people, you know.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
And you travel 7 miles on the coastline and you get this like beautiful coastline.
Yeah.
And you have chance of seeing like the turtle, the manatee,
Yeah.
and the dolphin, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Nice, beautiful coastline going down, you know.
Let's just show you it's a Jamaica paradise, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I tell you, man.
Alright. So respect here,
Yeah,
brother.
man. Bless you,
Yeah, man. Alright. See guys, as you can see, that's what he's saying, a lot of these boats, like these ones here, are like the touring boat. As you can see right here, how they set up with the chair, you know. And you have people from all over that come down here just to, you know, take the boat over to like the Pelican bar, you know, and even tour around, like, you know what I mean, on the boat ride. So that's what he was saying, to come around here at the rock. Wow. Nice, guys, nice. Really nice. Wow. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you could see him. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. That, guys. As I'm telling you guys, Jamaica is really beautiful. Even a place like this, trust me, if you come to Jamaica and you come to St. Elizabeth, this is where you want to visit. Treasure Beach, Frenchman, you know. Look at the ocean, and then you can see behind me, you can see the sunset. Beauty. See, and you have different restaurants around here too. Hello.
Did you in here? You have cold beer? Huh? I can have a cold beer and a cold cereal. Tell you, go take flavored beer. You know I'm not Smirnoff.
Yeah.
Then I like beer.
And a Smirnoff. If you have a Smirnoff, I take a red one. Flavored. You know, try it?
What do you mean? Red Stripe beer.
You want look at this, go for this one, look at this.
Respect. Nothing like a nice cold Red Stripe beer on the beach of Treasure Beach, right at Frenchman. Yeah, man. Nice cold Red Stripe beer.
Yeah, man, so how you doing, bro? You having a good time?
Yeah, man, respect, man. So, you're captain around here, so I feel about this.
Yes, this one is mine, that one is mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Captain
Nice.
Joseph, man.
So, what you do a little tour of what?
Yes, I take people out to the Pelican Bar. I have a restaurant way out on the beach where I will take you out for the day and give you an all-inclusive package, where it's 125 euros per person.
Right.
That beer you hold in your hand,
Yeah.
and a limited Red Stripe when you're out there. And we also serve any rum mixed drinks,
Yeah.
2 glasses of wine with lunch.
Where is
and
that?
It's my place named Seagrape, way out on the beach. But we go by boat. We only can accept it by boat.
And it is on an island?
Well, it's on the island of Jamaica, but to get there you gotta go by boat.
Oh, and how long it take you to get there?
It takes about roughly 20-25 minutes from here to get out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And
So, yeah, go ahead.
what is the price you said?
It's 125 US per person. It's all inclusive.
All inclusive of?
We serve lobster fish. We serve lobster fish. We serve crab. We serve jasmine rice and peas. We serve vegetable. We serve 2 glasses of wine with lunch. Unlimited Red Stripe. Unlimited rum drinks. No limit.
Okay, so like, say if anyone interested
Yes.
and they want to say go on a tour with you and they want to contact you, how they?
They can go at captainringabell@gmail.com. It's captainringabell@gmail.com. And then you can find me, and my numbers is 376-9944 or 350-1107. So, you know, you can send me an email, captainringabell@gmail.com. Captain Joseph Brown.
All right, and Treasure
Are you on
Beach.
Instagram?
Yes.
What is your Instagram?
Okay, it's on Instagram is Joseph Brown, one word, 196.
Okay.
And make it even much sweeter, I have high-end restaurant here in town. I have a beautiful restaurant here
Yeah.
in Treasure Beach.
Where
right
is
now.
that? Where is that though?
Okay, it's a couple minutes drive, like about 3-4 minutes drive from here, and it's named Joseph Hideaway.
Okay.
I've been there.
You been to Joseph Hideaway?
Well, with the food, I have a food.
A pool bar. I'm the guy.
The food was good.
Thank you.
Let me say it looks familiar.
I'm the guy.
So
I'm
this,
the owner.
this them cook out there, so.
So there you go. I'm the guy.
Nice.
Yeah.
You see, that's good, you know, cause like A lot of people come down to Treasure Beach and they
Yes.
really want
They really
to go
want
on tour. That you are okay.
You know, to have a great time.
See?
Yeah,
And you can swim over your... Oh, you have to go to a river too?
Yeah, I have a river tour also. I do river. I do Black River Safari. Okay, if you slide back up, you can also see a TripAdvisor review for 2019. Same way.
So you have to make reservation to go over there?
Yes.
You have to make reservation.
Yeah, and you have to do a deposit also.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So as you can see, if you come down to Treasure Beach, right where? Frenchman or
Frenchman Bay. Yeah,
Frenchman
right
Bay,
there.
yeah. As you come down to Treasure Beach at Frenchman Bay, you can look for Captain.
Captain Joseph Brown.
Alright, see? I'm gonna show you his name. See it there? Captain Joseph Brown. Alright, respect. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, good. Fish fillet burger.